Hey guys, it's JPN here. Today we're playing some cat. But there's a twist. What twist? We are only using shotgun in cat. Okay, nothing else, guys. Okay, nothing else. Only cat. Okay. I hide the player list. Oh wait, I'm supposed to be only using shotgun. Guys, new merch out. Go to the group Quarantine Gamers and you'll find the new merch. Yep, t-shirt right here, JPN. How does that not hit him? Oh my god. Yeah, I have to say shotgun is like... I just addict her. Oh my gosh. No! Okay, yeah. Okay, round ends in 2 minutes. Oh my gosh. That guy's good. That guy is good. I'll have to give him that. Jeez, I only... You know what? I have a challenge. I have to use the stock knife. I have to use this. Here it is. Stock knife. Yeah. You guys like my ducks? You can buy them here for 400 gems. Also, buy my new latest merch. Merch options are from 5 to 10 Robux. Plus creator... No. There's no creator fees. I don't do creator fees anymore. That was only yesterday. Yo, he has shotgun too? Yo. Ha. Oof. That's all I can say is oof. He tried to hit me. Someone tried to hit me. Oh my god. Someone tried to hit me. Get up the tower before anyone sees me. Oh my gosh. How much does Feather Boy have? Or Feather 10? 0 kill streak. Oh god, he's trying to kill me. Who's trying to kill me? Oh. Well, that went terribly wrong. Okay. Ha. Oh, you again? Double kill. Why aren't they like... Okay. Jeez, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. And I'll post a second video on how to, Well, that went terribly wrong. Oh my god. I'm just posting ducks everywhere. Oh my god, she's going up. Jesus, she is going up the ladder. Oh my god. The person that went up the ladder is my target. Because I have to get through all of this before I can. Well, I think I went through all of that. Go up the goddamn ladder. No. I mean, stock knife is pretty good, on average. Well, yeah, I didn't pay attention. How, though? Like... Oh, come on! Oh my god, I killed him! Yes, I killed him. I killed him. Yes, I killed him. Okay, great. No, I killed my target. Okay. Beep. Oh, also, streams every Thursday at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. There we go. Dude! Hold on. Oh, no, I can't switch, though. It's the part of the video. It's some sort of challenge video. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay. No, that didn't work. Yes! 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 I successfully went up the ladder without getting killed. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, who's up there? Oh god, is that Maddie Bunny? If you're gonna fight me, then come up the goddamn ladder. Oh, okay. Yeah, well. Guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and buy my Roblox merch. This is the newest collection. It's at the group The Quarantine Gamers. So, bye!